Hi, I'm Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse at SEMA in Las Vegas of 2017. I'm with Carlos from Kool Vue, and you've got some cool looking mirrors, starting with the one in your hand. Tell me what this mirror can do for someone.
Well, Paul, thank you for stopping by. First of all, Kool Vue, we have over 2,500 SKUs for mirrors. We're one of the largest distributors for mirrors in America for aftermarket. The one in my hand right here is for heavy duty. For heavy duty, we're very competitive. We have some of the top quality out there. We are built it to be as good or better than OE. On this mirror, as you can see, we have the Puddle light, we have the side marker, their power. This one is the extendable one for the heavy duty trucks.
Okay, so you can collapse it.
Correct.
Oh. And what about installation? Is that fairly simple?
Installation on this particular one, it only comes with usually 3 or less different screws that you can do. Anyone on the end user can just go in, look at their vehicle, unscrew it, put it on. It's plug and play, nothing to add to it, no different harnesses or anything. It should work with your existing vehicle.
All right, so give me an example of like what brands or manufacturer vehicles Kool Vue would make this mirror for.
For this particular, on the mirrors, we have from all makes and models, from imports, domestic, Germans, and for all different models, from the regular, the Corollas into Silverados.
So I'm assuming because this one extends, it probably for a pickup truck to see around a trailer?
Correct. This one, a lot of people, they use it a lot when they want to do towing. So it makes it a lot easier for them to be able to see on the road. If safety is a concern, this is what they go for so they can feel better when they're out on the road.
And what about the warranty on these mirrors from Kool Vue?
On the warranty, we have a standard 1 year that we say that they can use to make sure that it's free of defects from manufacturer, for any vibrations or anything that may have, which we have a really low return rate on that. But if anything, we always back it up with 1 year on unlimited miles.
Unlimited mileage. Okay, there you go. Kool Vue. If you've got a vehicle, they've got a cool mirror for you at Auto Parts Warehouse. Thanks, Carlos.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, for Auto Parts Warehouse, I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA 2017.